Alrighty, welcome back, boys and girls. It's your main math man, Mr. Shank, coming to you live from Mayfield. And in this video, we're going to be working on this Tuesday warm-up. And if you notice, it looks similar to an equation, however, it's going to be an inequality. So it has some similarities between equations, but if you notice, that sign is slightly different. So it reads the following. It says solve the following inequality, and it has x minus 5 is less than -3. So again, you want to make sure that you're seeing, notice how that that L shape, that less than symbol, kind of makes almost like an L, and if you hold out your left hand, kind of make an L with your left hand. That's another way to remember it. So again, just like solving equations, you always want to do the inverse operation. So if you want to get this x by itself, you're going to have to get rid of the other terms that are by it. So we want to get rid of this minus 5. Again, the way to do that is we're going to add the opposite. So we add 5 to both sides. Add 5 to both sides. And so we say, all right, let's total this up. And so on the left, we're going to just have, again, that cancels out. And on the right, if we have 3 negatives and 5 positives, we should just end up with 2. So again, our solution would just be x is less than 2. Again, it reads like this. It says x is less than 2. And so that's the slight difference. If you were reading this like an equation, it would say x is 2. However, this is strictly less than. So we're talking about all the numbers that are to the left of 2. And so how would you graph that? Well, again, you can put right in the middle your value that you're working with, and you're going to have, usually I like to do one step below and one step above. And again, you want to put a open or closed circle. And so you want to make sure you see, all right, if there's a line underneath, you want to make sure it's filled in circle. And if there's no line, like we have right here, there's going to be no fill. And so again, that's just saying that if we would fill it in, it would be included. So since it's strictly less than, we're going to have a closed, or excuse me, an open circle like so. And also what I like to do is I like to make sure my arrow is matching my inequality symbol. Again, that only works if our that variable is on the left. And so usually I kind of do a little squiggly going to the left, or if you want, you can highlight it to the left with a highlighter. And so you notice, okay, hey, it's all those values to the left. And another question that I usually ask along with this is 0 a solution? Meaning, in the set of values that we could put in here, is 0 one of them? Well, again, it's asking this. Would this make a true statement? Is 0 less than 2? We're asking, is this a true statement? Well, very obviously, yes it is. And so you could say that 0 is a solution. Again, if you wanted to give other examples of possible solutions, you could say something like, -5 is a solution. However, obviously 3 is not a solution. Again, be able to tell the differences between those items.